So as you can see now I got this button which says recover. So if I tap on this recover button now, I can be able now to recover my Facebook account that was hacked. So in this video, I will show you how to contact Facebook support team for hacked account. So you are going to see the step-by-step guide on how to recover hacked Facebook account. First of all, after you open up your device like this now, go and tap on your Chrome browser or any browser. After you open your browser, now go and type in this website, m.facebook. As you can see now, here it is now. Go and type in this link, m.facebook.com/hacked. So I'll leave you the link for this, as you can see now, for this website in the comment section of this video. Just go ahead and tap on the link, m.facebook.com/hacked. So by following this link, you can be able now to recover your hacked Facebook account. Now tap on the link like this. After you tap on the link, as you can see now, here it says report compromised account. If you believe your account has been compromised by another person or a virus, please click the link my account is compromised, this one button below. We will help you log back into your account so that you can regain access. So if your account was hacked, now tap on this my account is compromised, this one. After you tap on this, as you can see now, here it says find your hacked account, enter your mobile number or email address. Now go ahead and type in a mobile number or email address that was linked or that is linked with your Facebook account before it got hacked. So for me, I'll just go ahead now and add a mobile number. I'll use this one. So after you type in the mobile number like this now, go and tap on this continue button. So from this section now, it will search for the account. So let's say now here is the account that I lost. So now I want to recover my account. Here it says account. See now recover this account. So now as I type in the mobile number of my account, so now it gives me the name of the account, and here is the account. So now tap on this recover button. So from this section, as you can see now, here it says try another device to continue. This must be a device that you have used to log in to this account before. Why? We can't match this device that you are using to the account that you are trying to recover. So it is not safe to go anywhere further. What Facebook is saying is that you cannot be able to recover your Facebook account if you are using a new device that you have not logged into your Facebook account with the device before. So now this is my new device, my new mobile phone that I'm using. So when I lost my Facebook account, I did not use this mobile phone to log into my Facebook account. So if you want to recover your Facebook account, you must have a device, a laptop or a mobile phone that you used to log into your Facebook account even once in your lifetime before you lost the account. So if by using that device, whether it's laptop or your mobile phone, now if you tap on the recover button, it will give you access to recover your account. So because this is my new mobile phone, now it will not allow me to do that, because now Facebook thinks that I'm just not the owner of the account. So if you cannot, as you can see now, tap on this option now. If the device that you are using is new device, tap on this option. Can't try another device. So now tap on this one. So by tapping on this one, here is what Facebook says. Can't try another device. If you can no longer access your login, email address or phone number, and you don't have access to a device that you have used to log in to this account before, it is not safe for us to give you another way to log in. So if you lost a device, now the best method for you to recover your Facebook account, you must have a device that you used to log into your Facebook account before. That's it. You must have a device, whether it is laptop or your mobile phone. So by following this method on that device, from there you can be able now, if you tap on the recover button, it will give you access. It will not show you this screen. It will just give you access to recover your Facebook account. That's it, guys, on how to contact Facebook support team for hacked account. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe.